Hello, my friend. I am so excited to share these items with you today because let me just tell you, it's all about the love. And let's jump in and look at the items. And I have so many, the stack of samples to show you. The first one, and I know it never looks like much when I show it to you in the packaging. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once I show you what it is. So this is a winter word Slimline. It has two shadow dies, so you can do shaker cards if you want, but this is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those awesome letters. I added little snowflakes to all the letters, and it's just so much fun. Now, the best part about Slimline cards is that they fit in standard business envelopes, which is so exciting. And look how cute that is. Now, more to share with you, but I wanted to show you the other items and then we'll go back to samples. The next item, and again, this one just doesn't look like anything, but I'm going to show you one sample so you get an idea. It is a heart pop-up. I know if you're anything like me, we are loving our pop-ups, right? Anything that adds a little extra touch to the cards we make just changes the whole thing, right? I mean, it just really does. And let me show you what it looks like because you got to see what it looks like. Ready? And I have more samples. Don't worry. Don't worry. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. 3 hearts pop up. There's this optional panels on the sides that you can add this extra just decoration. And look at how fun that is. Look, they pop up. Isn't that fun? I have more to show you on that one. Last but not, well, 2 more things. This item that I'm going to show you, I talked about a little bit. I kind of gave you a hint because in one of my crafting corners recently, I used this Swish card as a base. It has this awesome little edge to it, and I'll show it to you in just a second. But this one, I bet you already have. I have a feeling you already have this one. It was very popular when it first came out. It's still one of the best sellers on our website. And we do have it on our website if you don't already have it. But let me show you. Are you ready? We came out with this heart border. Now, when I did this heart border, the first thing I said was it has to go with the Swish card, right? Then I designed it and I'm like, but wait, I want all those little pieces separate so I can just add them on top if I want to. Optional, right? I always want to add those extra options so you can change it up and make it different. And what do I mean by all of this? That it fits with that Swish. Here you go. Are you ready? It can also work on regular cards, but look at this. That is the Swish card. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous swish on it. And those hearts line up perfectly. I had so much fun designing this one. I hope you love it as much as I do. I want to do more, but I want to hear what you have to say about this one before I move forward doing more. But don't you just love that? Isn't that adorable for Valentine's Day or any day? More samples. Stay tuned. Now, last but not least, this is these 2 items are limited edition. We sold these in a 5-pack at one time, and we had a lot of requests. We sold out of the single packs of the snowflake version, and we thought, you know what? We need to break these up also, just in case you want just these. So we have broken up the sets, and we now have offered the Christmas candy sprinkles and the Santa Christmas sprinkles. I'm calling it Santa, but there's also Christmas trees in there also. Both are now available on the website because we're all getting more and more into the shaker cards, especially with using the card front shakers. And let me just tell you, you need more of those. So those are limited edition. Once they're gone forever. Now let's jump in and look at our samples because I have so many samples to show. Here we go. Here is that winter. I love that. I just think, oh, and this one's actually could be a stand-up if you use one of our wax seals as the stand. Hello there. Isn't that cute? Winter. Oh, I just love that. That's just so fun. Now again, best part about these, they fit in standard business size envelopes, and we all have a ton of those, don't we? Yes. Look at that winter with our fun little bundled up little guy. Here's another one. Oh, so pretty with the glitter on that. Here's another one with glitter behind it. So gorgeous. Ooh, here is one using the chunky glitter. And this one, you could use your little cinch machine and turn this into a cute little book. December, all about the month. Look at this. You can make your own little pictures. You have use your creative deck stamps in there. Oh my goodness. February. Oh, so I missed January. We could make this a whole winter book. Isn't that fun? Don't you just love that? So that is definitely an option for you to do. So simple, right? January, there's January. We do sell these dies separately. Awesome, right? Now, let's jump in to the heart pop-ups. Are you ready? Hugs and kisses. Get set. Here we go. Look at that. I want you to see. It's hard to show 3D, but look at that. You could decorate behind it so you can really see those all 3 hearts pop up. And when you get the hearts, let me show you really quick. When you get that die set, it comes with, and I believe it comes with 2 extra. Here you only see 1. I believe it comes with 2 extra hearts that you could add anywhere you want. You could add it on top of those, or you could add it anywhere you want. Here's another one using our love balloon. Ready? Oh my goodness. Is that just amazing? Don't you just love that? It's so fun. And it's such a surprise. That's the best part about it, is it gives a surprise. So this one's tied. So I haven't even opened this one yet. Are you ready? Let's open it up together. Are you ready? Get set. Oh my goodness gracious. This is a work of art. This is something that if you give this to someone, not only are they going to be flabbergasted, they are going to be in love. They are just going to love this so much. They're going to know that you care about them, right? If you spend time on a card to not only just mail them a card, but a handmade card, you are telling them that you care about them. And that's so important, especially nowadays. Look at how fun that is. Don't you love that? And here's another sample of the inside. I love that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It really pops up. I mean, it's so fun. Now, let's look at the swish because it's all about the swish. So here we go. Here's an example. Look at how gorgeous that is. Now that is just one color. Die cut and go, that's all you need to do, right? Die cut and glue, that's all you need to do. Here's another one with that swish. Look how fun that is. It just adds something different. Now, again, oh, here's another swish with our unicorns. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, you don't have to use the swish. Here it is on a decal edge card. You definitely don't have to use a swish. You could just make it look like a little hill if you want to. So fun. Now remember, all of the little extra dies are in the set, so you don't have to like cut and paste and everything. You're just going to die cut it again and then add those to the tops, which is so fun. Now, club members, I know you know that you are getting 15 to 20% off every single item, every single day, every single order, right? Oh, well, does that include fabric? Oh, yes, it does. Does that include? Oh, yes, it does. Does that include everything? Everything. There's no asterisk saying does not include this, does not include that. No, everything. Also, if you are not in the club, what you need to do is just join the stamp club. It's $13.99 a month. You get a brand new stamp set every month for that $13.99 a month. Then you get the club discounts, you get the club freebies, you get the club points, and of course the discount's the best part, right? Now, it's only the monthly commitment's only 3 months. Let me just tell you, I see so many people order from our website. They don't know about the club. They order from the website, and our computer system says, "Oh my goodness, Barbara, you could have saved $16.12 on this order if you were a club member." And what we do is we offer them. We say, if you join the club right now, we will give you a gift certificate for what you would have saved, the $16.12. But you could be a club member for only $13.99. There are people in this world, this is crazy, you guys. There are people in this world that it is cheaper for them to join just the stamp club because they buy so many other things from us. Let me just tell you, you save money. It's all about saving money, right? You're saving money when you join the club, just saying. Okay, go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video. It explains it all. It gives you all the 411 and all that good stuff. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.